Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do some more unboxings for Record Store Day 2020, September, the second drop. This is September 26th. These are titles that I was kind of looking forward to the most, titles that I planned on keeping for myself. Roger Waters, The Wall, live in Berlin. I've listened to this on CD many times. This is from 1990. Looking forward to having this on vinyl. But yeah, let's check it out. So all this stuff will be available on the website at 1 o'clock Eastern time. Let's take the records out of there. So 1 o'clock Eastern time at the In-Groove. Well, we're not saving the shrink, but it's an unboxing, so let's show you the inside. That's a lot of people. The Memorial Fund for Disaster Relief. So that is the inside. So yeah, all this stuff can be purchased on our website if it's still available. We open the store at 8 o'clock. The locals get first shot, 8 o'clock Arizona time. So the first couple hours, the locals get first shot. Then after that, at 1 o'clock Eastern time, everything is available on the website. So here we've got the running order on the printed inner, and then we've got some still shots. This is on clear vinyl. This way the hammers can dance, you know, while you're playing them on the turntable, like the movie. Vinyl looks really nice, really clean. Doesn't appear to be any no-fill. And that record looks really flat. No visible damage on that as well. Nice and flat. So yeah, looking forward to this one. I'll be listening to it first thing tomorrow morning. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and until next time,